In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from one win in Nepal. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I'll advise you create a professional one win account. To do that, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you're going to fill in your details, choose your currency, your phone number, your email address, and your password. Now, when you come to promo codes, you're going to use the promo code RENZO7. If you use the promo code RENZO7, one win is going to give you up to 500% bonus on your first deposit. This means that if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $500 as your bonus, and you can use to bet. Now, let's continue. If you want to withdraw money from your one win account in Nepal, all you have to do is come over to wallet management. In wallet management, you click on withdrawal. Once you come over to withdrawal, you're going to change your country to Nepal. Once you change to Nepal, one win is going to provide the various methods you can withdraw money in Nepal, which are cryptocurrencies. So you're going to choose a cryptocurrency you're comfortable with, for instance, Doge, put in the amount you want to withdraw, and also the address. Once you do that, just click on continue, and the money is going to be sent to your Doge account. It's a very easy process. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.